Okay, let's hear from Alyssa. She's a senior construction management major and business and sustainability minor who's benefiting from one of the newest high-touch facilities, the Richard L. Bready Applied Learning Laboratories. Roger Williams invests in spaces and technology that provides hands-on, real-world experiences, like the recent $20 million partnership with the Cummings Foundation and the School of Architecture. Take it away, Alyssa.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to study something related to construction and engineering, and I knew I wanted to leave my home state to start a new adventure. Senior year of high school is when I found out about Roger Williams and the many opportunities that they offered. Finding a university with experiential learning was a key aspect in my college search. When I toured Roger, I quickly found that they valued real-world experience and hands-on learning. In 2020, Roger Williams opened the Richard L. Bready Applied Learning Laboratories to enhance the education of our construction management, computer science, and engineering students. In this lab space, construction management students learn the foundational aspects of building materials starting in year 1. Sophomore year, we even had the opportunity to build a small house right inside the facilities. In addition to these construction spaces, we also offer maker spaces for our engineering students where they can create and bring to life their many designs and models. Outside of academics, Roger Williams offers many clubs and opportunities for students. As a construction management major, I'm part of our Women in Construction Club, our Residential Construction Club, and 2 of our ASC competition teams. RWU also has Society of Women Engineers, Engineers Without Borders, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, just to name a couple. The construction management program has taught me many on-the-job skills, such as crane signals, and has helped introduce me to many industry professionals. I've created lifelong connections with friends and members of the community. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Alyssa, you built a house. It's so impressive. 100% of students at Roger Williams get hands-on experience no matter your major. Whether it be teaching in our immersive teaching labs, trading real money in the stock market in our cafe program, or getting creative in their state-of-the-art graphic design labs. They are all so incredible. Thanks for sharing.